question asks us to draw the mechanism for this E1 reaction. The first thing I notice when I look at this reaction is I've got a dimethyl group in the top corner of the reagent, but the methyl groups are on different carbons in the product. That suggests some kind of carbocation rearrangement. Let's see how it plays out. This is an E1 reaction, so our first step will be the loss of the leaving group. So we'll break the carbon-bromine bond, give those electrons to bromine to leave as the bromide leaving group. That will form a carbocation intermediate. This is a secondary carbocation. If we move the methyl group over one, we can form a tertiary carbocation. After carbocation rearrangement, we end up with a tertiary carbocation. This carbon still has a hydrogen attached, so we can use water, our weak base in this reaction, to take this hydrogen. That builds up too much electron density around hydrogen, so we'll break the carbon-hydrogen bond, use those electrons to form the alkene, and this will form the product of this reaction. This is the mechanism for this E1 reaction that goes through a carbocation rearrangement.